Guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I have for you another wig review unboxing. It is this unit that I have here. This is the EMPRESS lace parting wig. It is in the style Carrie and it's in the color TTB 30. And if it's your first time here, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Please click that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. And if you're interested in sticking around for the wig review unboxing, then stay tuned. Okay, let's get ready for the unboxing. If you like this unit that I have on here, just click on that little eye up above and it will link you to the review of this unit that I have on. So let's take this unit out of the box. On the stock card, on the back, it lists the additional colors and how-to instructions for cutting and blending with your own hair. It has that. Two-way parting features, whereas E is with deep hard tied lace parting or cut and blend with your own hair. So I guess you can wear it as an L part and cut it and wear what is it called, a U part wig. You can wear it that way, or you can wear it just as a wig. So I'm gonna wear it just as a wig. I'm not doing any of that cutting of it and wearing it as U part. I'm wearing any of my hair out, because that just defeats the purpose of a wig. Let's flip it inside out and see what we get in the inside. We do have a little bit of lace here in the parting area. We have a comb on each side of the parting area, a little small comb. They are probably about almost 1 inch, if not 1 inch wide. It is closed in the top everywhere else except for in that parting space. It does have the ear tabs on each side of the unit. In the back, it does have a comb, which is probably about a full 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches, as well as the adjustable straps on each side. So that is it for the construction of the wig. The cap part is stretchy and not too much on the sides. It is a little, hard as far as the lace is concerned. So I'm going to take off the tag and then adjust the straps, and then I'll come back for this try on. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm about to do the try on. I accidentally deleted the footage for the try on for this video, so I am redoing it as a completely different day. When I went to edit, I didn't have it, and I did it for 2 videos. I deleted the wrong footage, but anyway, I have it in the 2 slots right beside each other. I'm going to put this on, and I didn't like this unit when I tried it on originally, and I played with it because I don't think it looks like the picture. That is the picture on the front, and to me it doesn't look anything like that, but I messed with it and I got it to look somewhat like I wanted, and now I can't remember what that was because I deleted it. I remember I brushed it and then I fluffed it back up, which got it to look somewhat how I wanted it. But straight out of the box, I didn't like the curls and how they hung. And to me, this is much longer on the top than it looks like on the actual stock card. To me, the stock card, the hair looks a little short. It doesn't look as long as it does here, but whatever. So let me let you see it before I start messing with it, because it's already out of its original format, out of the package, just because I had to retape this and I've already maneuvered it. I haven't cut it or anything, just styled it. But the short side here is the right side of the unit with the deep lace parting, as you can see here. And this is the left side, and that is the back. It does come down pretty much far enough to cover my long hairline on my neck. And then that is what it looks like in the crown. So let's try to do something with this. I can't remember what I done with it, but I did not like this thing at all. So I don't know what I done with it, but I didn't like it. And I made it look almost decent. To me it looks like, I don't know. And I didn't want to cut it and try to make it into a completely different style because I just didn't like it. And they wearing it as more of a kind of like a little pin curl look in the picture. I don't particularly care for that look all that much, to be quite honest. But to each his own. That is about as good as I'm gonna get it to look. I can't say what with 100% certainty I won't wear this wig ever. So probably get away. I keep saying I'm gonna do one of those Poshmark wig sales with all these wigs that I have that I don't like, especially the long ones because I don't wear long wigs too often. But anyway, this is it for this. If this is your style and you like these types of styles, then it probably will work for you. It is, I would say, it's big head friendly. It's not too terribly tight on me when I have them side by side, so I can say that. Let me move this up a little bit so you can see the top. So hold on. Okay, I fixed the camera just so you can see. Make sure you have it all in frame. But yeah, this is the end result of this. To me, looks nothing like it, but that's it. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. As always, if you like these wig reviews that I do, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me to make sure that you guys like it and I can continue to do these videos. Yeah, and if there's any video that any wig that you would like me to review, short, I don't do a lot of long wigs, so I would prefer that it be short or shoulder length, not much longer than that because I don't wear those really long ones, or a ponytail. I'll try it out for you guys. Just comment below and let me know that as well. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.